Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing, as you can see, the landscape with the birch trees. I'm using black and white as opaque and the rest of the colors are transparent. So this is a two-part stencil set. So first I have like the color stencil for the trees and the background, and I'm all of this I'm spraying in opaque white. So as you can see on the right side, I've done a motorcycle tank just in black and white, which I prefer. I don't like this too colorful pictures, but I'm doing here like a sunset scene to show how you can use it. So I look that I'm painting a full white at the horizon. So, and then I'm laying down some gray tones. Same with the water. Then there you have like a beautiful landscape. I'm now putting some white over the water, so that there's just a little effect and a reflection of the trees. Reflection. And because I'm using transparent colors, I now can put the color to any white part of this picture. So I'm starting with the yellow, and as follow-up I use the magenta. And this is the yellow again, so I get a nice orange tone with the combination of the magenta and the yellow. And now this is a dark blue. And the yellow again. You can see the more color is on the surface of the painting, the more brightness the color gets. Now I have to dry the whole thing. Still sticky. So now comes the highlight white. So I don't paint everything in full white, but at the beginning you can do this. But I'm just like start with medium gray. And you still can put more color on it in later steps. So also on the water effect, I'm using the normal gray. So this is now with reduced air. I'm doing some small dots in there, so that's like a texture in the trees. These are some highlights on the stones that are in the landscape. So there you have the picture. You could stop at this, but now I'm I'm putting like the light brown over the white. That's the beauty about like really like working with stencil, that you can like apply color in the stencil, then or white in the stencil, and then you put color over it, and you can put the stencil back on. And for example, now there's a red tone for the reflection in the water. And now I can do like the white stencil again and do some highlights on the trees. As you can see now through the stencil, that's before you can merely see it. Now you see that's a brown yellow. And there you have like an instant highlight for the trees and the reflection. And it's no effort at all. So now I'm covering the trees to do some background. So for this, again with reduced air, I'm painting these small dots for the stars. I also could put a moon on there, like you see on the black and white. And can also do some stars. So this is the part 1. The part 2 comes soon, and hope you enjoyed it, and